Rise and shine, Value Farm family. Welcome back to another episode of The Farm. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and also turn your notification bells on. And of course, to all our returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for loving Value Farm. Thank you so much for loving the content that we put up on this channel. You guys are gems. You guys are amazing. We really appreciate your support and love that you show us. So today, guys, I'm super excited. It's a beautiful morning. We are back at the farm and there's a lot that is really going on. As you can see, this part of the farm, I know most of you have not really seen this other part, but there's a lot that is going on because, you know, we wanted to also share with you guys something that is really progressing at the farm, and of course whatever is happening here. And there's currently a lot that we have to share with you guys. As you can see behind there's a new structure, guys. Most of you have been inquiring about coming to the farm. You guys want to see what we are already doing here, but you know, we are really trying to make sure that everything is set, our biosecurity is up to standard, so that when you guys come here, you're going to find everything in very good shape. So what is behind here, guys? It's an amazing training conference room. We're in the foundation level, but it's going to be pretty so big to accommodate everyone who is going to be coming here. So now I have, of course, my team. Remember, we're not doing this alone. You guys are part of this family. We are sharing ideas with you guys, and of course we have an amazing team with us who are here to help us with the legal work. And today, of course, I wanted to introduce you guys to some of our team members who are part of the team, who are behind the cameras, who are behind the whole project at Value Farm. Yes, they're right here. I have my partner right here, and of course our lawyer right here. I want them to introduce themselves to you guys if you're watching them for the first time. Gregory, you can maybe start.
Wow. Well, hello again, everyone. My name is Gregory, and I'm one of the co-directors here at Value Farm. Today is actually a very special day. We always appreciate being at the farm, but especially today because this man standing to our left played a huge role,
yeah,
of us being able to actually acquire and secure the land here. Because as a foreigner coming to Uganda, I didn't know what to expect. There was a lot of pitfalls, and this is the person who stepped in to really protected me, protected my partner, protected the business, and guide us through the process of actually acquiring land here safely. So we wanted to introduce you guys to him. Issa, please.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
In my humble opinion, he's one of the best lawyers
Oh
I've
my
ever
God,
worked with.
yes,
Every time
amazing.
we've had any kind of hiccups. In fact, today he wasn't even supposed to be here.
I know.
I called him yesterday at 9 p.m. I had a slight issue. He dropped everything to be here for the company, for the team, and he's always been that reliable person.
Yeah.
You know, so please, my friend.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I said my name's Uganda Issa. I'm a lawyer, and I'm a lawyer of the team.
That's right.
Actually,
Yes.
when we started the journey, it wasn't easy. And when we had plans, actually, Mr. Gregory had a vision, and he knew what he wanted. So I helped him to come up with what he wanted. We set up plans. We had to do all the legal paperwork, make sure that we purchased the property. And then he started investing in and doing whatever it takes to make sure that his vision and plans come to reality.
Wow.
Actually, I'm also shocked and surprised by what is going on. When I bought the place and when I started doing the paperwork and everything, it wasn't like this. But he has invested in, and everything looks beautiful. It is a token of appreciation to the team and what he has done so far. Today when I came, I was not expecting to find a conference center being set up. I'm glad that what you are doing is great. Me, I always support you whenever need be. And I always come in if there is any support you need from me.
Wow.
And I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
Me, my offices, they are known to him.
Okay.
They are not known to you. But I sit in Naguru opposite the surgery hospital. It is plot 57, Naguru Drive. It is Praxlex Advocates. I'm on first floor.
Wow.
Yes, please. My email is isaogome@gmail.com.
We shall definitely leave the link there. Yes.
But thank you very much. Keep supporting.
I know the last time that you came here, you know, we're just setting up the area, planning where to put things. But now I think you're really surprised with what you've really seen here.
I'm very happy.
The best compliment I can give anyone is when you find partners here, especially in Uganda, you know, there's such things, African time and everything else. This man, including my partner behind the camera you never see, these guys are true timekeepers. What they do, make what we do possible, and they make it feasible, because without Tina here, without Issa, without IQ behind the camera, none of this would be possible, because every meeting, every morning when we leave our house at 4:30 in the morning, 5 o'clock to get here, always on time. And dependability has everything to do with where we are. I can assure you guys, if you're coming, if you're in the diaspora, wherever you are, UK, US, Australia, wherever, if you need to purchase land here, I give him a full-throated endorsement from our team, because I know what he's done for me. I know what he's done for our team, because dealing with squatters, dealing with all types of, you know, challenges, he's always handled everything with first class, number one, first and foremost, and we trust him, and he's done a wonderful job. So with that in mind, guys, reach out to Issa. Tina's the best partner I've ever had, especially in business. And of course, IQ is the most dependable partner. Here's the value farm that you guys don't really get to see him very much, but IQ makes it all work because he's a big part of the team. So we are very excited that this has started. And, you know, there'll be a combination that we're also working on.
Yeah, true.
Because we want you guys to feel comfortable. We want, when this is finished, Lord willing, though you're going to be in the country here, we want to make you feel like you're still in Kampala.
Exactly.
So it should be fun learning, you know, whether you want to come here for a week, maybe 2, or even 3 days. You should be able to come here with your family, learn about farming, learn about IMO and everything else that we're doing here, and do it in comfort. And that's going to be the expectation you guys should expect from us. So thank you very much.
Wow, thank you so much. Like you've said, it's going to be more than an experience. So when you come here, you're going to have fun. Not only learning, but also have fun at the farm. And home away from home. That is the whole thing that we are trying to create here. Yes. So guys, this is where we are. You see the land is being cleared. That tree is knocked down. We are definitely going to be using some of the trees that we have knocked down for timber. So we are also trying to cut the costs, by the way, because we are going to use some of the timber for building. As you can see this other side, guys, are you seeing the beautiful view? The farm is just down the other side. I'm really super excited, guys, because it's going to be amazing. Here, the excavator is already working. It's already doing its job. And of course, you know, it comes with a price, but at least we had to do the needful. We are going to construct here some cottages for you guys, which is really so good. I'm really so happy because everything is coming through together properly, and this is our dream. This is what we want for you, to make everything very comfortable. So this is how it is. It has a perfect view. So I can't wait for you guys to come here, enjoy yourselves. We want to share with you our expansion, what we are trying to do, and also to inspire someone out there in case you really want to start off a farm like this, or in case you have your land somewhere but you don't have any plans for it. It is better for you to do something like this, of course. And of course, people in the diaspora who have properties back home but you don't know where to start from, it's the time for you to begin, because you need to invest something on the ground. There's a lot of potential in Africa. There's a lot of potential in our countries that you can definitely start with.
We're standing here getting smashed by rocks
Oh my God.
behind us. We're actually doing some extra development on this side. What's behind us is actually going to be the conference center. This is where we're actually going to be receiving you guys. For those of you who want to know everything about IMO, everything about rearing cattle, goats,
Rabbits,
poultry,
poultry,
everything else that we're going to do here as an organization. as we mentioned before, we want you guys to be comfortable
True.
when you come. And so that's what's going to be behind us. This center should be able to hold about 80 to 100 people in total.
True.
And we can't wait to have it complete. So we'll be sharing this process with you guys every step of the way. But we're so excited to actually have a classroom
I know.
for pre-application training, meaning so you'll get all the knowledge here, right, in the classroom before we actually take you onto the farm.
True.
Right? So I'm super excited about that.
I'm very, very excited. Yeah, guys, that is the update for this particular area. I'm really happy to share it with you. And of course, with other developments that are coming up, we shall definitely also share with you guys.
The goal for us here at Value Farm, as we mentioned, is to make sure that you guys can come here and not just learn, but we don't want you to be bored. We want it to be fun. We want you guys to come here, feel like you're home away from home.
True.
So aside from the actual training center, we're also going to be working on accommodation for everyone.
Yep.
As well as making sure that you guys have good food options here,
Wow.
adequate security, and of course clean, fresh air. And don't worry, for your tree lovers out there, every single tree we actually uprooting, we're going to be replacing, just strategically moving them around. So the environment is not being disrupted too much. We've kept some of the trees that we felt we should keep, and some of the other trees that we actually had to remove because we needed to use the space.
True.
So, we look forward to meeting you guys. I'm excited. 2022 is off to a great start so far. And that's pretty much it. I can't wait to bring you guys the poultry house.
Wow, that is
Construction on
another
gonna
thing
be
that is,
very,
yeah.
very soon. And we'll be ready for our meat delivery service.
Exactly.
Also something
Value
that we have
addition.
coming, a value addition. We'll be doing a feature on that as well.
Yeah, true.
And so, any questions you guys have, please. We love reading your comments. I like reading your comments.
Me too.
And leave them down below, and I'll be more than happy to actually answer some of those.
I wanted to ask you something.
Sure.
What do you think about, because we've used different contractors for our buildings?
Yeah.
The person who constructed our piggery house is
Yeah.
quite different. The one who did our goat house is also a different one. And this particular building here is also a different contractor. How do you feel about these contractors here, and how do you think the progress is going so far?
Well, ironically enough, the contractor we're using here, his name is King David. He's extremely talented, hardworking. He has a wonderful crew. These guys are here on the ground. What we found with some of the other people we worked with in the past, the main engineer would be on the ground for maybe like a day or two during the week. The moment he gets paid, he would just disappear. And leave the apprentices behind. However, with King David and his crew, the experience has been quite different.
True.
These guys are from day one. Once they built their temporary shelter, they've been here. They work 7 days a week. We urge them to take at least 2 days off, but they want to get this project done very, very quickly. And they're super professional, and so far I'm very happy.
That is so true.
With the quality of their work and the quality of professionalism here
that they have here
as a group. So it's definitely been a breath of fresh air.
I know, and it's quite different,
But I'll also say the person who built our goat house did a phenomenal job. His name is Iga.
Yeah.
He's one of the best roofers out here. So for those of you who want that same goat house, if you're interested in having him build one similar to that for you or your farm, you can reach out to us. We're more than happy to put you in touch with him because he's definitely great. But I have to also say, I think out of everyone we work with, Francis, our plumber, is the best plumber that we actually had the experience of working with, because the first few plumbers we brought to the farm, they came, surveyed, and they just disappeared. Like Houdini. We never saw them again. The piping work that went into that piggery unit was very intricate, and he did it like a pro. And anytime we've ever had any minor issues, he's always been very responsive. So again, if anybody out there looking to hire a plumber, to just talk to a plumber, Francis is definitely somebody that we'll recommend. And if you're interested, you can also reach out. We'll put you in touch with those guys as well. Okay?
Yeah, that is so true. And also to add on, like on the plumber issue, we actually brought him on the ground as we are constructing so that he can plan how everything is going to be set up. Because this is going to be a self-contained conference room. I know most people like the outside outdoor,
Yeah.
But this one is attached to the building, which is really very, very good. He was on ground, he measured everything, and he's also coming back again to make sure that everything, before they start off the other part
The
of
other
the
parts, yeah.
Yeah, he's going to be around to make sure that everything is right.
Here's a question I want to ask you guys. Now, as we continue on with the combinations, for these cottages here on the hill, right? Should we add a few outdoor showers, you know, for the family
For the people who are coming to
who are
stay.
coming to stay? Or
Leave your
leave your
comments.
comment below, right?
What
Because,
suggestions do you have?
listen, you out here, you know, at the farm,
In the
you
middle
know,
of
the
nowhere.
fresh air, in the middle, you know, it's tranquil, it's nice. You know, maybe adding a few outdoor showers might be a good option. So you
Yeah.
guys let us know.
What do you
We're
guys
still
think?
contemplating. We're not quite sure how we're gonna do it, but give us your opinion. We'll take it from there.
Yeah, but I'm so really grateful for you. I never appreciate you on camera, but you're really doing a very good job for the farm and for the whole company as well.
Thank you.
Because, you know, everything running here is always at the forefront, guys, by the way. It's also there, like everything is moving so fast, as you can see. This project just started a few days ago, but see where it is right now. It's because of his hard work, determination. Is at the farm 6 times a week. At least for me, I come here like 2 times a week, but he's always on the ground. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
No, it's actually been a pleasure. I think what motivated me more is the response we get from not just our staff here on the ground, but from you guys, the way you guys actually appreciate what we are doing here.
True.
We do read those comments, so you guys keep them coming. But also what we're doing for the community, you know, we definitely see a change. There's definitely more excitement. More people are moving into the area. More people are coming to invest in this town.
Around, yeah.
And, you know, electricity is not coming. And plus the farm is at the heart of everything that's happening here. As an organization, yeah, we wanted to have a business where we made a livable wage, obviously.
True.
But at the core of what we did was to actually build something that can benefit us as a team,
Yeah.
but also benefit the entire community. And being here in Uganda, being here in Champologoma, out here in this region of Lorero, has been a dream come true.
That is so
And
true.
even though she gave me some real credit here, I gotta give all the credit to Tina, because without her, we would have never found this place and none of this would have been possible. My entire network in this country is based on the people she introduced me to. And
Oh, my pleasure.
so far, you know, it's been a wonderful experience. We've had our challenges as a company, but we're moving forward.
Sure.
And we're very glad that you guys are deciding to stick with us every step of the way. So subscribe.
Yes.
Make sure you share with all your friends. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.